Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a joint report in Lightning experience. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to the analytics in our Salesforce organization. So basically, if you don't have it already in your tabs, you can just go and search for it in the app launcher. So go to analytics and you can access to it. Otherwise, you can just personalize your nav bar to add the analytics. We go to all, and from here we will find analytics, and then you can add it to the nav bar. So from here, I can pass it here. I will just click on save, and now we need to have our analytics that should be added somewhere in our nav bar. Uh, so after that, we need just to access to it. So analytics, since I have a full navbar, and now we need just to start creating a new report. We click on create report, and then you choose the type of the report. I can go for the accounts, and from here we will find these choices here. So basically, all we need to do is to choose the format, which would be a joined report. So from here, I'm going to click on apply. And from here, you will need just to click on add block. And by clicking on add block, you will need just to add the other type that you want for your report. So for example, cases. And I'm just going to add block. And now we will have our new, let's just refresh. And now we are having our joined report. So after you customize whatever you like in adding columns, removing any ones, you will need just to click run and here you have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.